So here's an introduction to getting started with Sheets in Google Docs. Log into your Google Doc drive and click the Create button. Under Create, you can see things we've looked at already: folders, docs, and spreadsheets. This is where we will be working. You click on Spreadsheet, just like with Google Docs, the doc, you have an untitled spreadsheet, so you can click on Untitled and enter a title for the spreadsheet. I will call it Spreadsheet Demo. With the spreadsheet titled, you can begin to enter information into the sheet. Much like any other spreadsheet program, including OpenOffice's Calc, the menus across the top, here's the toolbar. Spreadsheets are organized in rows and columns. So any cell in a spreadsheet has a coordinate referred to by the column letter and the row number. For example, this cell is column C8, so its coordinate would be C8. When entering information into a spreadsheet, you need to think about whether it's going to be a cell label or a number. The difference is a label is a word, text, or it can contain digits that are used to describe something or some aspect of the sheet. A number is something we will do math with. So for example, if I type the word sales, you can see it aligns on the left-hand side of the cell. And if I type 100 for $100, you can see a couple things happened. When I type the 100, I put the decimal point with 2 zeros. By default, Sheets will eliminate the decimals if it's a 0. And you can see the number is on the right-hand column. Something to remember, and we'll be looking at this down the road in a couple weeks, is you can only do math, you can only apply functions that require math to numbers that are on the right-hand side of the cell. So just remember, labels on the left, numbers on the right. Calc has a pretty cool feature. It's the autofill feature. So if I type 1 and 2 and select both cells, then if I grab the little handle and just go straight across, you can see Calc knew I wanted to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth, and it would continue. That's a quick way to fill the contents of a cell. If I'm doing days of the week, I can go Monday, Tuesday, select both days, drag across, and it goes through Saturday, and that would be Sunday. So it does all the days of the week, and if I highlight more than 7 cells, it will loop back around till Monday. And I can start any place during the week. So I can start Thursday, Friday, and it will pick up Saturday, Sunday, and so forth. If you want to count by 2s, I can go 2, 4, grab the little handle, and it knows I'm counting by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you can do count odds, 1, 3. You can count by 10s. You can do months. If I just abbreviate the month January, February, it will know enough that I'm doing 3 letters for the months: January, February, March, April, May, and so forth. So the autofill is a quick way to do column headers or rows of information when you're beginning to build a spreadsheet. The other thing I want to show you is, much like with Google Docs, you can share a document a spreadsheet just like you share a doc. Click on share, enter the email address of the Google account. So I'll use my email address. Notify people by email. Will send them an email with a link to the document. And I can put a message. Here is the spreadsheet I am sharing with you. And if I click send, yep, I want to click yes, and the document has been shared, and in my Gmail account, I'll have a link to this document. So that's an overview of spreadsheets, how to create them, how to begin to enter information, the difference between labels and numbers, and then the concept of autofill.